A directory page is a sortable listing of supporters with customizable display preferences. In this video, we'll cover how to create a directory page and set your display options. Requirements. To use a display page, your site needs to be set to display public profiles. If you create a directory page and public profiles are not being displayed, you'll see a warning message encouraging you to turn on public profiles in your site settings. People included in the directory must be supporters and have public profiles turned on. Display options. To create a directory page, go to Website, select your site, and click Add New Page. Enter your page name and slug. Select the directory page type. Decide whether to include the page in your top nav or supporter nav. Click on the Create Page button. In Directory Settings Basics, select a particular type of people to display. You can further filter this group by choosing a particular profile tag or set of profile tags. Types of people who can be displayed are all supporters, recruiters, recruits, followers, followings, volunteers, donors, members, customers, active customers, yes votes, and possible votes. Many of these options will only display if you have the Enable Corresponding Features at Settings, Nation Defaults, Basics on. For example, yes votes and possible votes are displayed when you enable the voter features. You can further refine the people to display based on tags. If you enter multiple tags separated by commas, a person who has any of the tags will be included in the directory. These display options must be used simultaneously. If you want to display everyone with a particular tag, select All from the Display dropdown, then type the tag name. Alternatively, you can use these options to refine a category. For example, you can display volunteers with a greeter tag to create a directory of people who volunteered to welcome new people into the community. The Sort By dropdown allows you to define how the directory listings will be sorted on your website. You can choose alphabetical, highest priority, social capital, recently added, recent contact, not recently contacted, Twitter followers. Once you've defined who to display on the page, click the Save Settings button. The stat boxes will update to indicate the number of profiles that match your criteria and the number of profiles that will be displayed. Note, if you display recruits, followers, or followings, the page must be viewable by people logged in. To adjust who can view the page, go to the Settings tab and select Logged In from the Who Can View This Page drop-down menu. You can also make these pages viewable to only members, control panel users, or admins. Click the Save Page button to save your changes. The directory will display 30 people per page.